What's up, family, and welcome back to the channel. On today, your girl is about to do another battle of the gels with a wash and go. So if y'all want to see how I set my hair and turn it into this beautiful and voluminous wash and go, then just keep on watching because we getting into it right now. Alright? Alright, natural family. So before we get into the video, I just want to give a quick shout out to Fried Chicken 892. And I just want to let y'all know, if it wasn't for Fried Chicken 892, this video probably would not have been made. So gratitude. Thank you for telling me what you wanted. And you got it. So let's get into it. And we're starting on freshly washed hair like we always do. You always want to start off with a clean scalp and clean hair because that is going to help you avoid product buildup. So of course I'm using the twisting cream from As I Am because I just want to add the moisture into my hair before I add the gel. So we're going to add this section by section and we're just going to smooth this in really well. And as you see, it's going to start clumping my curls and it just makes my curls look so beautiful. So I really love this twisting cream. Now, FYI, in case you missed it, I did just do a product haul video last week by the time you see this video. But I love the products that I did in that video, and the As I Am brand was one of the ones I talked about, and this twisting cream was highlighted. So definitely check out this video. I'll leave a card up below so that you can see the name of the title in the video, and you can catch it after this one. All right. So after I add the twisting cream, then I added the jojoba oil to seal in that moisture. And next we're taking the curly jelly, which is almost like a custard because it's so loose, but it's very light. And I'm just going to apply that to the first side, and then we're going to use the other gel on the other side. After I get done raking the gel in my hair, then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to make sure that the gel is basically evenly distributed through this section. And as you can see, my curls are clumping. So I'm going to let that part be, and I'm going to start working on the next part. And I'm just going to speed it up just a tad bit for the sake of time. Now, one thing I do want to let y'all know is I kind of added too much twisting cream and gel to this wash and go. I didn't have this issue when I did the twist out, but when I did this wash and go, I noticed that I kind of had some product buildup, and it was because I used too much product. I didn't think I did, but apparently I did. So just be careful when you are doing these wash and goes that you're not over applying the product, because if you do, you will have snowflakes. Well, I won't say unfortunately. Fortunately for me, I was able to get away with the product that was in my hair because I was like kind of able to hide most of it. But I do not want that to be a normal process at all. So just be careful when you are using these gels along with the creams, because if you use too much, Lord have mercy, it's gonna be snowflakes galore. Okay, so next we're going to take the smoothing gel and we're going to apply this to the other side of my hair. So let's get started. And just in case you're wondering, I didn't notice any difference to either side of my hair when I was adding the gels. I don't think either gel stood out more than the other. I feel like they defined my hair pretty much the same, just like they did on the twist out. So I highly recommend both gels. I do enjoy both of these. I just would be careful on how much of the product you actually apply onto your hair. The thing about me is my hair is fine, so my hair is not as thick as a lot of other girls. So therefore, I don't need a lot of product, and that's just something that I need to be better at. I can just be heavy-handed sometimes with the products, but I have to remember, my density and the texture of my hair. So I know that my hair is fine. So my hair, it cannot hold a lot of product, or it's gonna, eventually have product buildup. Okay, so now I have completely, added all the product to my hair. So now it is diffuse time. And I want to let you know, do not start off diffusing your hair like this. This is incorrect. So I actually did this wrong. So this is the improper way to diffuse your hair. What you want to do is you want to hold the diffuser away from your hair first so that your curls dry in place. Once the outside of your hair is like majority dry or mostly dry, then you want to go in a little closer with the diffuser and get inside of your hair. So make sure you wait, because if you do it before your hair dries, then you're going to add more frizz to your hair and less definition. Now, if that's what you're going for, then so be it. But if you want more definition, then I highly recommend that you do not diffuse your hair by touching your hair when it's still wet. You want to wait till it's, mostly dry. Then you can go in closer with the diffuser. And then when I got to the end, I just started a little bit of retention, and I just held my hair and then held the warm air while it basically stretched my hair. And this is the final look. Overall, I really enjoyed this wash and go. I have no complaints at all. My hair was full of body. It was flowing. It was nice and big like I wanted it. It wasn't like shrunk. So your girl was happy. I was happy. The product was not stopping your girl. So if you enjoyed the content, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you have not already, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Join the family. Let's keep growing the community, guys. We're almost to our 1,000 subs, so let's keep going. We almost there. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm going to see y'all back on the next video. All right?